I may look 10, but I think like a 15. Good evening. I am Don Goodwood, the son of Nita Goodwood. Following my mother's footsteps, hopefully I shall that path. I aspire to be the first, youngest, and most dynamic news reporter who ever set foot on Singapore's primetime news, the news. News should be all-encompassing. So, it is my belief that the news should cut a totally new segment covering news catering to kids 12 and below, like myself. Wait, meow. Here's a sample of the news that I tried to cover but was never aired because there was no platform. Recently, there was talks about Singapore parents often preparing their kids into kindergarten or primary 1, so much so that the kids found it so boring when they actually entered P1. So kiasu, you know. These smart Alex started making a nuisance of themselves in class, distracting their peers who are really going to primary 1 to learn P1 stuffs. Statistics have also shown that more and more primary school kids are seeking psychiatric help who handle stress-related issues in school. Parents, do you know that what you guys are doing are causing a lot of stress for us kids? Over preparing your kids in kindergarten for primary 1, is that really necessary? Huh? We are kids, you know. We need to have a childhood. Sorry, I got carried away. Please. I wanted to conduct an interview with our Minister of that portfolio, Minister Wan More Pay, but was turned down because I was not a real reporter like the news reporters. Are they real reporters, Therefore, I truly hope to be a part of the news team so I can surface some serious issues about kids my age and also, more importantly, draw more kids to be interested in the current affairs. This is Don Goodwood reporting. Checking out. Oh, mommy, it's very stressful. Can I have more milk, please?